my splitter broke off, bro. Let's get to the show at least. Like, come on. Sweet dog. The fuck?
Rudy, what's up, man?
What's up, Kyle? Tim. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning.
You guys ready?
Somewhat.
Yeah,
Not really.
not really.
Not really.
I'm still waking up. Man, what's going, dude? Man, ride's looking badass, bro.
Thank you, bro.
My car looks bugs. What up?
1 hour. Or not even.
Dude, everyone's car is so much cleaner than mine. Damn. Mr. Hentai Boy. Actually, Derpy had to go get one of his tires replaced this morning. I think it was just leaking air. And I have to go run errands, grab a couple more things for a booth, including hangers and stuff. But today, Stance Wars, 5 p.m., Bellevue College. We'll see you guys there. Good morrow to you guys. Today is the day of Wekfest. Bright and early, but it's a beautiful morning. I be hearing some noises. I think my splitter broke off, bro. Oh, fuck, dog. Alright, this is my solution. Okay, just to get to the show at least. Yo. Those guys are kind enough to stop for me, so shout outs, thank you. We made it, my homeboys. Oh dude, there's like a little car meet going on here. All these kids up so early. What the fuck? I can't do it, I can't do it. Yesterday was Stance Wars. Met a whole bunch of new people and a lot of old acquaintances as well that I rarely get to see, so that was cool. The thing about this year is Stance Wars decided to have their show in the same weekend as Wekfest. So the people who come out of province and out of state to these shows aren't waiting around for another week for the other one to happen. It's a nice little car weekend get together with friends, and yeah, right now we're just setting up. This entire row is Kimoji Styles and a little bit of Lost Royalty. It's just like me, Gutu, and Simon. Kimoji Styles though, these guys roll deep.
All my life I've been with intellect, but the flow is like incest with degenerates. Fucking stupid if I ain't of interest as I interject. I moonwalk in my boots, footsteps when I'm on set. Smooth predator boarding the mothership for conquest, cause I'm next. I'm sorry if I'm too witty and a screw loose, so try to fix something to do with me as I cruise the beat with fluency of what's true to be. And truthfully, I miss the way that it used to be.
Your exhaust inspires me. This thing is so badass. If I find a booth selling some splitter rods here, it's definitely copping. And also, I really feel like ripping off the white part on my car. Like, the glow-in-the-dark vinyl was cool, and I'll show you that it's actually glow-in-the-dark. You can write on it, so turn on the light on your phone. Yo, style or die, man. Visors, dude, the grandma hat.
Right.
Watch. Kinda. Sometimes to envision things, you gotta actually like physically Photoshop it just to give you a better idea. But this time around, I kind of just like thought about putting white on the top. The outcome, not the best, so let's just rip that off. Yo, thanks for the help, guys.
No problem. Just say that last year.
And we've reverted back to the stock black color. Looks so much nicer. I have no idea what I was thinking with that white. I think it's time that we put on the Kimoji Styles banner. We're official, boys. It's actually straight. I've had experience. I have a tutorial on this channel. Alright guys, you know what? They opened the doors to public, but people just like flooded in and now it's hella busy. I'm gonna go take my rounds and take my shots before I consider myself tired enough. Let's do this.
You and I come together like we can change the weather
Hold up. I recognize this. I follow this guy on Instagram. Mike, nice to meet you, man. So finally, I get to meet the owner of this thing.
I've had this car since 2011, and I didn't take it seriously until 2013. I just want to do a different approach to it.
Well, you definitely got that down, man. It's over, and I think they're doing awards right now, so we're gonna head over to the stage. Maybe I should help these guys take down the booth first. Good job, guys. Thank you, thank you. Oh, shit. Thanks, man.
No Limit 2015 Scion Award. Oh, you're you can see the word Lost Royalty.
Lost Royalty, yeah, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna confirm everything.
Ending.
Sweet dog.
I'm ending.
Thank you. Good job, guys.
The fuck?
Is this a thumbnail or something?
I don't know, maybe. Work. Alright guys, show is, I almost forgot. And I only kind of remembered because this battery's about to die. Yo, who's melon buns? What the heck, man? Just kidding. That's my transition.
This is a good transition.
Yikes. Peace. 4, dude. Oh,
Good luck on your drive back,
absolutely,
man.
man.
Thanks for
Pleasure
listening.
meeting. Of course, man. I'll see you guys again for sure.
Yeah, hope so.
Yeah. Those guys are cool. He's actually Peter, the taller one. He's the one that owns that crazy Acura.
That's a bit nice.
They're kicking us out. Kevin's back. We're all driving back home together. Zip tie gang, motherfucker! Okay, guys, we're doing one last dinner with the team. We're just grabbing tacos right now. They brought us to this place called Taqueria, and it's actually really good. I've already eaten. So actually, most of us are gonna be driving back to Vancouver tonight. Like all of these guys, all from Vancouver. Of course, Gutu and I are from Calgary, so we're still like 14 hours out.
No, they eat horse meat in Japan.
Yeah, he guys like loaded up.
Yeah, man.
He's like giving you deals. He's like,
I know.
Dude, he's just like giving deals
he's
left,
like
right, and
5?
center.
No, 4. 4. Okay, 4.
He gave us the drinks
Well,
for free.
for us too, he's like,
No way.
he was like, okay, 5 tacos, $5 for $10.
Yeah,
He
he's
just gave us the drinks.
You could have been like, how about 7? He's like,
Yeah.
oh, okay. 7.
Pretty much.
Okay, I took a little power nap because we have like a 3-hour drive ahead of us.
Yo, changing Sean's headlight bulbs.
Oh, what?
My light burnt out.
Lights.
Oh,
Gotta drive to LA with this shit.
yeah, that's
Yeah.
right, man.
Hey, can you test it? Can we test that the bulb works? You have the keys? Yeah, I do. Because if it doesn't work, I don't want to switch it.
Thanks for everything, my man.
Coming down, man. Appreciate it.
Yeah, dogs, you'll be doing me a favor, please and thank you.
Oh, thank you.
End this. Party. That was supposed to be for the booth. You too, man. Appreciate it. We will. Thank you. Thanks for hanging out. Thank you, Kyle. Yeah, well see you guys, okay?
See you again.
Soon.
Alright.
Oh, Andy. Thanks for everything, man.
Absolutely.
It's fine. What? What the fuck?
Somebody get his legs.
Torture. Okay, let's go home. Yo, I thought this was only available here, so I stocked up and bought a bunch, but these guys say it's available. But look at this one, the Liberty Brew.
Look at that freedom, bro.
Look at that freedom, man.
What, does it taste like freedom?
Oh, let's see.
Unboxing.
She's like,
I think I've just felt an eagle go through me.
what's that supposed to mean?
Does it taste like? Oh.
It gives you wings.
Tastes like eagle piss.
Actually, honestly, it tastes really good.
They piss blue, dude. Better drive safe, eh?
Hey! 2 hours, not that bad. Let's get it. Alright, it happened. The splitter is completely off. Yeah, I think it's this inner one, right? I got it. Sit down. Yeah. Don't bother bringing it home.
Let's go leave it here.
Yeah, we'll just souvenir.
You want my nut? When you drove past me, I heard like some like I heard like some crackling.
Yeah, dude. Looks like I'm floating. I'm lifted. We're good. We're here. Order, finally. That was actually a pretty fast 2 hours. Now we just gotta explain ourselves. seminar and just met Dylan over here, who's the owner of this FRS. And now we're doing this impromptu photo shoot. Damn. Okay, go home, finally.